quickly show you, right, how to get your API done for Huobi account. So I have an Huobi account here. Okay, I'm just going to do a demo. I'm not really going to use this API later on because of privacy purpose and so on. Okay, now in Huobi, right, you'll be able to see the notes over here. Please make sure, right, that you read all this information before you even do the API binding. Alright, so now to do the API binding, just make sure you have your Huobi account open up. Alright, so where do you find this API management? Go under the avatar. Can you see that? Your profile there, and you'll be able to see API management. Just click on that. Alright, so once you click on that, it will bring you to the API management page, and here you have a create API account. So if for you to create, you need to, this is the notes just to give a name, okay? Whatever the name is, so probably let me put JD Winner, right? So JD Winner, and here you can see permission. Now this is very important, okay? Your permission here is read only, and make sure you are also able to give the permission to trade, alright? To trade, alright? And make sure you don't give permission for the withdrawal, okay? If you give the permission for the withdrawal, then what is going to happen is that, okay, you are giving access for your withdrawal. You are authorizing the withdrawal. So don't do that, okay? Please make sure you don't authorize or give permission to the withdrawal. Now over here you will see API, right? Bind API address. Now this is recommended, okay? Please read for security purpose, okay? For security reason, it is recommended for you to bind IP. So now Royal Q has actually disclosed the group IP address. So where do you get this IP address? Now let me just quickly get back to the bot. So if you get to the bot, right, you go to the home page over here, click home at the bottom, you see API bind. Click the API bind, and you can see that you can actually bind two different exchanges at the same time, right? So you can be actually trading both the Binance and Huobi with one bot. Isn't that awesome? Okay, that's the reason why I mentioned to you always, right? You can be actually fighting two war zone, okay, two battlefield in one bot, and that can actually give you a much better profitability and result. So over here you can see Binance is already bound, and I have not bound Huobi yet, so I'm going to bound Huobi. So how do you do that? Click in Huobi. Now once you click, right, you'll be able to see the details here. Alright, the details here. So what you need to do now, you need the bind API address, right? So where do you get the API address? Now, can you see here, we have the IP group binding. Alright, so Royal Q has already provided the address here. Don't do anything. What you need to do, can you see copy? Alright, click the copy button. Alright, confirm that. So once you have copied, get back to your Royal Q and paste it over here. Can you see that? You paste it over here. Alright, now please understand, for security reason, okay, the IP address, okay, will last for 90 days, and thereafter, right, you have to rebind once again, okay? So just make sure you do that in order to protect, because the more frequently you actually bind your IP address, the better it is in order to protect your account. Alright, now we're going to click create. Alright, so once you have clicked create, okay, just make sure you read the risk warning and make sure that you click I understand. Alright, now thereafter, okay, follow the process. Okay, follow the process. These are all the security and the authentication process, so please do so. So let me just do that very quickly. Okay, so you can see over here, right? Once you have done that, it will then show you, okay, it will then show you the access key and also the secret key. Alright, the secret key. So what you need to do now, alright, if you get to the bot, okay, if you get to the bot over here, you can see it is asking you for the access key and also the secret key. Alright, so where do you get this access key? You will get it in your Huobi. Okay, the moment you have actually bind your IP address, you will then see the pop-up of the access key. So what you need to do, okay, copy exactly the access key and get back to your bot and then paste it over here. Alright, and thereafter, go and get the secret key over there, copy that, and exactly get back to the bot, okay, and paste it, the secret key over there. Alright, so that is it. Now, once you have done that, okay, please remember, you have to send the code. Okay, this is the verification code for your own Royal Q account. It will be sent to your email. Right, so once you have done that, make sure that you tap on the risk warning that you have read carefully and bind. Can you see that? So once you have done that, you can see it is bound, okay, successfully. That is awesome. Now let's just get back to Huobi, right? So in Huobi, you can see that once you have already copied the access key and the secret key, and you also have the IP address over here, so you can then confirm. So once you have confirmed, you can see that I have actually added another API key over here under JD Winner successfully. Okay, now some people ask me, how many API key can we actually have in Huobi? All right, you can have a maximum of 20 API key. All right, can you see that? So all those information are already provided. So now, since you have already bound successfully, let's just check. Okay, let's get back to your quantitative here. And now what you need to do, choose Huobi down there and make sure you refresh. All right, make sure you refresh your account balance. Now, when you refresh your account balance, okay, you'll be able to see your USDT amount at the account balance. So at this moment, I don't have any amount here for the Huobi Global, but if you have the amount, okay, you'll be able to see your USDT will appear over here. So the exact amount in your Huobi Global in USDT will be appearing over here. Please understand that, okay? If you look at Binance, it will show the same. Can you see that? So there will be the amount of USDT there. So it is the same concept also for the Huobi Global. You will be able to see the USDT there. So that simply means you have basically, okay, successfully bind your Huobi Global and the Royal Quantitative Bond. So this is just to show you a quick process, okay, a quick process how to basically bind your Huobi Global account with your Royal Quantitative account. So I hope, all right, I hope this has been a blessing. If you love this content and you were blessed with this content, do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I hope you will be blessed with more information and more insights that I'm going to share in the near future, and a lot more other things that is coming on board. So with that, God bless each and every one of you. Take care.